Today, we're learning useful cleaning verbs in English. Simple, everyday actions you can use at home. Listen carefully, then repeat each sentence. Let's begin. Listen.
I am opening the windows.
Pause and repeat. Listen.
I am sorting the laundry.
Pause and repeat. Listen.
I am loading the washing machine.
Pause and repeat. Listen.
I am hanging the clothes outside.
Pause and repeat. Listen.
I am folding the dry clothes.
Pause and repeat. Listen.
I am putting the clothes away.
Pause and repeat. Listen.
I am clearing the table.
Pause and repeat. Listen.
I am wiping the kitchen bench.
Pause and repeat. Listen.
I am washing the dishes.
Pause and repeat. Listen.
I am spraying the mirror.
Pause and repeat. Listen.
I am scrubbing the sink.
Pause and repeat. Listen.
I am cleaning the toilet.
Pause and repeat. Listen.
I am dusting the shelves.
Pause and repeat. Listen.
I am vacuuming the carpet.
Pause and repeat. Listen.
I am sweeping the floor.
Pause and repeat. Listen.
I am mopping the tiles.
Pause and repeat. Listen.
I am shaking out the rug.
Pause and repeat. Listen.
I am changing the bed sheets.
Pause and repeat. Listen.
I am organizing the cupboard.
Pause and repeat. Listen.
I am taking out the rubbish.
Pause and repeat. Let's see if you can keep up.
I am opening the windows. I am sorting the laundry. I am loading the washing machine. I am hanging the clothes outside. I am folding the dry clothes. I am putting the clothes away. I am clearing the table. I am wiping the kitchen bench. I am washing the dishes. I am spraying the mirror. I am scrubbing the sink. I am cleaning the toilet. I am dusting the shelves. I am vacuuming the carpet. I am sweeping the floor. I am mopping the tiles. I am shaking out the rug. I am changing the bed sheets. I am organizing the cupboard. I am taking out the rubbish.
Great job! Today, you practiced useful cleaning verbs for everyday English. Keep repeating these sentences until they feel natural. See you in the next lesson.